Rugged phones are designed for specialized purposes, and for that reason, rugged phones are the best ways to test out new techs. In this video we are going to introduce another DOOGEE S99 rugged phone by DOOGEE that will amaze you. But before we start, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell notification icon for more product review videos. DOOGEE S99 comes with galactic ring design and with stunning color combination sunshine gold and classic black, bringing a vibrant, unique element of life to a rugged phone. The design of S99 as a whole is precise, simple and classic in new metal material combination of titanium, aluminum, copper and gold, making the phone lighter, more solid and corrosion resistant, trying to pursue a balance between beauty and practicality. DOOGEE S99 will feature a 6.3 display along with a 1080 by 2340 resolution screen. It comes with 108 megapixel AI main camera, includes a 130-degree super wide-angle macro camera, 64 megapixel super powerful dedicated night vision camera. The S99 will come with a new and improved capability to capture anything within a 20-meter range. Running the Android 12 system out of the box, DOOGEE S99 improves personal and privacy features. Powered by Samsung S5 KHM2SP03 sensor chip, S99's advanced 108 megapixel main camera allows you to capture vivid, true-to-life and breathtaking pictures. Through the amazing lens, you can see the world of mega reality. The upgraded SONY 32 megapixel selfie camera always knows how to take an appealing snap that makes you still beautiful even in the crowd. DOOGEE S99 comes with the cutting-edge MediaTek Helio G96 chipset with 12nm Octa core, 2.1 GHz Cortex-A76, Cortex-A55 and strong GPU offers users amazing productivity and performance in all demanding operations, like multitasking or gaming. DOOGEE S99 comes with longer, easier, safer, and faster of 6000 mAh massive battery with 33 thunder charge. The battery can last up to 2 to 3 days and 18 days standby. Within an hour, you can refuel the battery up to 45% with the 12V charger system. By adopting cooling technology for maximum thermal efficiency, DOOGEE S99 provides an excellent balance between performance and temperature control. DOOGEE S99's side fingerprint recognition reduces pressure on your memory when you have to remember many passwords or patterns so as to unlock your phone, enter a platform or interface. With only a slight fingertip touch, your phone will be activated in just 0.19 seconds. Though blessed with multiple shining features, DOOGEE S99 never forgets that it is a rugged phone. Armed with certified waterproof, dustproof and drop resistance protection, outdoor enthusiasts and demanding environment workers can carry it everywhere without worrying about any damage. So, this was today's review, hope you like it. Product purchase link is mentioned in the description. Go visit, and before leaving, please subscribe our channel and hit bell notification icon for more videos.